Hello, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. You are welcome to Talk with Margaret. Today's topic is about one pastor where they catch where they sleep with a 5 years old boy. Pastor, for that matter, they sleep with small boy. Those fake pastor where they around. So this time of COVID-19, they catch pastor for church where we say people they struggle. They find food where they go eat for Nigeria. One pastor they molest the 15 years old boy. Imagine. And another one again for one ekpa for Benin, one old man of 65 years for Edo State. We go they sleep with 15 years old girl. Now that be our topic today we want to discuss. Imagine. Please, anybody who come across my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for supporting me. So my message today now for this pastor. Whether this pastor load na for rituals, I don't know whether na for rituals now it they do, whether na for juju. I don't know as I want to put this language inside. But imagine people they say they be man of God. Where we say the Christian people they look up to, the people they go church they look up to. Now they call the cash for inside motor where they sleep with small boy. That small boy now, I don't destroy that boy life. Whether not juju it make whether not juju it make, I don't destroy that boy life. Imagine pastor wey call himself man of God. So now they read the Bible. Number one, self homosexual na sin for Bible. That is Bible describe it as Sodom and Gomorrah, which the angel of God destroyed that city at that time. Imagine all these pastors then. All these fake pastors. This time we say we need real pastor wey go dey pray for the war, that this war is going ahead. Pastor wey go they teach the real Bible. Now you they carry small boy for that matter. They sleep with that small boy. Imagine this man wey call himself man of God. Carry small boy put for in motor they sleep with. Thank God for the people wey cash and wetin we dey hear say not be today don't they do that. Not be today don't they sleep with this small boy. This fake pastor, now fake pastor, because when they talk about pastor, some people go dey vex. But when they bring all these fake pastor out, all these fake pastor they sleep with small. Now he don't cash out, he dey pray, cast a bad, he dey cast a bad. Imagine small boy of 5 years, how many years? Now they say so. They don't cash am. They cash am now. They pray. They cast am bad. What they cash small boy for your motor? What did they do with this small boy now? What did this pastor they do with this small boy? They sleep with small pikin for nyash. Nigeria now I don't know what I go put out. They don't want to. They don't sleep with men. Don't they sleep with men? Me I know they go against her. But a grown up man like this, they sleep with small boy. A grown-up man, pastor for that matter. Now this world is going ahead. Now you see many things they happen. You see grown-up men sleep with small girls, small boys. Sleep with animals, with dog, with goat. May God have mercy. We need prayer for this world. And this old man for Benin City, for Edo State, when they say COVID-19, make everybody stay home. 65 years old man carry small 15 years old girl for house they sleep with. They disgwangwa that small girl. Imagine. And the youth now that what did they do? They try to protect her. They try to protect her from the law. This video they try to look for this video. I don't know where I save and put. Because this kind of pastors now will get to bring out, make the world see them. This kind of pastor and this kind of old men where they sleep with small children. This have to stop. This is child abuse. Child abuse have to stop. Around now, if not be beat, they beat children. Now old people they sleep with children. Imagine that. It's old man like this, they sleep with small girl of 15 years old. Where you can bring your granddaughter. Now you they sleep with. It's a shame. And the thing they vex me, pastor, the town that they protect them. They protect them for but other people, if not other people now, they go beat them. If not another person I do that with this old man do now, they go beat them. Now because now in a leader for the community now, he can sleep with small children. Not be today, neither man don't they sleep with small children. Not be today. And this pastor wey go dey sleep with small boy, this pastor, this one wey call himself man of God, so I hope say nobody go dey go in church again. Now they go just say na temptation, na devil work. No be devil work. Devil work no carry say me go dey sleep with small boy. Small boy of how many years? May God really have mercy upon us too. And parents, please be careful. Be careful who you leave your daughter to, or who you leave your son to. Don't trust anybody, even those ones they call themselves man of God, women of God. Don't trust them. Don't trust anybody. Don't leave your children with anybody. Look at the one who call himself man of God now, this small boy of 15 years old. Imagine that. An old man for the city where is supposed to be the one, be a grandfather to every children, be an example to the youth. Now he they carry 15 years old girl they sleep with. I hope say the city, the town of that Edo State, I hope say they deal with that Opa. I hope they deal with that 65 years old man. And I hope say Nigeria authority take this pastor, fake pastor to court. And the father, the mother and the father of that boy, may they deal with that pastor very well. Because a lot of pastors are doing this. You see pastor now, they're sleeping. I'm not talking about good pastors, really pastors. I'm talking about these fake pastors. Those fake pastors, they call themselves man of God. I'm talking about them. You have to bring them out in social media. The court, the law have to take its and I hope say this coronavirus, now this coronavirus, and that pastor go dey in jail. Let him go and suffer and rot in jail. Imagine, don't spoil that small boy life now. That small boy now will grow up now, become a homosexual. You can't grow up now, you can't do it to another little girls, boys. Because that's not what they do to him. Imagine I saw one man to say, I don't know whether I tried that video too. I try to save her. They sleep with small boys. The boys then they see they teach the boys they have to sleep with him. That is not our culture. That is not our culture. The boys sleep with boys, men sleep with boys. I'm not here to condemn anybody. But that is not Africa culture. Now that they bring it to the small youth where they grow up now, that they teach them, that they open their yansh. Imagine even woman, where you be woman self, you they make love with your partner. By mistake, he enter you. You know how it dey painful. Take note of all the. Just imagine all those small boys. Then will be say they be just even shy children. Some big man like this, man like this, call himself pastor. Go come they put in yansh. They come they put in prick for in yansh. So they pray, they cast and bad. What if they cast and bad? The demon. May God have mercy. May God have mercy. Please, thank you for watching. Put your comments there. Put your comment there. Press the bell. Subscribe, like, and share. Put your comment. What do you think about this pastor? And what do you think about the EPA who sleep with a 65 years old man, sleep with 15 years old girl? So thank you for watching. Share this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless you.